Welcome to Media and Globalization. This is our learning outcomes. Media and globalization. Globalization entails the spread of various of cultures. Let's say for instance, the Hollywood movies. Usually napapanood lang natin yung mga Hollywood movies sa States. But because of globalization, napapanood na din natin siya around the globe, worldwide. Relies on media as its main conduit for the spread of global cultures and ideas. Just like the ideas of LGBTQIA+, kung paano natin sila i-accept and then kung paano din natin sila titignan as a human being. Media and its functions. Media. Jacques Ellul described media as a means of conveying something, such as a channel of communication. So, according to Jacques Ellul, the media is our medium of conveying informations that we are confused or some informations that we are searching for. And this is also our communication, our means of communication. So we have here a different media. We have print media, a medium that disseminates printed matters. These are the magazines, newspapers, and all the printed matters that has a news. Second, we have broadcast media. This is the most expedient means to transmit information immediately to the widest possible audience. These are the televisions, radio, and whatsoever. We have digital media. Is digitized content that can be transmitted over inter or computer networks. So, ito po yung mga ginagamit nating mga social medias. Marshall McLuhan. He is a media theorist and he also declared the medium is the message. Added the different media is simultaneously extend and amputate human senses. So, when we say the medium is the message, it is the form of medium embeds itself in the message, creating a symbiotic relationship by which the medium influences how the message is perceived. It is the global popularity of American films, televisions, shows, sports, figures, and consumptions patterns was undeniable. Yun po yun. New media, means of mass communication using digital technologies as internet. Yun nga po yun, yung wide communication using digital technologies may expand the reach of communication, but they also dulls users' communicative capacities. Meron din pong mga dulls, yung mga trolls or yung mga AI. New media are neither inherently good or bad. So, meron din pong mga experiences na ma-encounter natin as a good or bad. Next, the global village and cultural imperialism. Television, turning the world into a global village where all are listening to the same story. So, yun nga po. Pag sinabi nga po natin TV, television, we have the same news na pinapanood sa around the globe. Herbert Skinner, according to him, the world is becoming Americanized. Value of consumerism prevails. So, when we say Americanized, it is the implementation of the products and cultures of the dominant powers centers on the rest of the world. John Tomlinson, cultural globalization is simply a euphemism for Western cultural imperialism, since it promotes homogenized, westernized, and consumer culture. So, John Tomlinson, He argues that globalization has been a significant force in creating and spreading cultural identity. He also points to the connection between the spread of global media and the growth of non-territorial forms of cultural identity. Yun po yung ibig sabihin niya. So, critics of cultural imperialism. Cultural imperialism, proponents overlook the reality that media messages are not only created by products but also consumed by viewers. So, ito po yung mga, just like yung Hello Kitty, from Mickey Mouse, ganon, Jollibee, Starbucks, McDo, ganon. Yun po yung cultural imperialism. Next, Elihu Katz and Tamar Liebes. They claim that various interpretative groups perceive text differently because they derive distinct meanings and pleasure for them. Yun na po yun. So, social media and the creation of cybergiteos. Social media and the creation of cybergiteos. Internet or social media is challenging previous ideas about media and globalization. So, very challenging daw po yung ideas ng social media noon about media and globalization. Social media has both beneficial, negative, and positive. Yun nga po yun, yung nakaka-experience tayo ng mga negative or positive sa social media. Anybody can be a consumer or producer of information. Pwede po kayong mag-post ng information or pwede din po kayong mag-cite ng mga information sa social media din po. Politicians and influential people creating a herd mentality which was exploited by many. So, Vladimir Putin, a Russian dictator, has hired armies of social media trolls to manipulate public opinion through intimidation and the spreading of fake news. Yun po. So, nag-hire po siya ng mga trolls para i-manipulate daw po yung mga public opinion through intimidation and the spreading of the fake news. So, that's it. Thank you for listening.